Aquí son los ingredientes. Son papas. Ten cuidado, no hiervas las papas para hornear, ya que retienen agua. Si quieres usar papas rojas o amarillas, se cocinarán bien. El relleno es de carne de res y también puedo añadir queso. La carne se sazonar con lo que ves aquí. La base se hará con huevo, maicena y panko real. A mí es conveniente usar salsa y pepinos y cebollas ya cortados. También puede usarlo fresco. El ingrediente secreto, ketchup y cilantro, por supuesto. Strain out all that fat very carefully. You notice I like to use an iron skillet. I just love my iron skillets. As I cook for you some more, you're going to see me cooking outside quite often. It's one of my favorite things to do. It's also quite a workout, lifting up those pots and pans. So after I strain off the beef, then in goes the vegetables, onion, pepper, garlic. And my husband is Puerto Rican, in case you did not guess. So there's no getting around it. I've tried to get around it. I've tried to use other things for coloring that are more natural, but he's just been raised with the sazon Goya. And I got to admit, it does make everything bright and brings out the flavor of what we're cooking. Or cutting food. And so I'm going to go ahead. I rinsed out some of that cilantro. There it is. Ketchup as a secret ingredient, don't we? So go ahead and give that a turn. I don't have any fancy camera equipment yet, y'all, so bear with me as I try to demonstrate cooking without burning myself or making a huge mess. But as you see, I'm going to blend those colors in together. So all of it has to get mixed up and uniform right there in the pan. Stirring, stirring. And I want to tell you, it really does smell. I think in a second I'm going to just waft that right up in there. Again, you don't want any large chunks. You want everything proportionate. And that's why sometimes a spatula actually works better for me for stirring. There we go. You guys taste, taste, taste. You are the cooks. You are the chefs. You're cooking for friends and family. So you want to taste what you are preparing. and make sure it's up to par. All right. Now that that's cooked, it's going to cool down, okay? While it's cooling down, I will show you what we're going to do next. We're going to get our potato and we're going to slice it down. We're going to peel it a little bit. Not into the dish, of course. I'm taking the peel off and disposing of it. And then you're going to see, once we do that, naturally we're going to start mashing. Peel and mash. Peel and mash. ¿Quieres la receta exacta? Deja un comentario, por favor. Deja sus comentarios y nosotros responderemos.